Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a small dog bed out of scraps. I have some packing foam that I'm going to measure out 4 sections at 3 inches a section, and then go ahead and cut it out. See, I have 4 pieces now. Next, I have some scrap material. This is an old baby's blanket. It's 2-sided. So next, we want to cut out 4 pieces the same size as the foam, but leaving an extra piece around the foam for sewing. You want to make 4 of these. If you're using a 1-piece material, you want to make 8 pieces. With this material, you can see it has a frill edging, which is perfect for the top of my side of the bedding, as it's already sewed together and has detail. You can see I have no measurements in this video, making it easier. I'm just making all the sides the same length. Now we have all of the 4 sides cut out. We want to set those aside. Next, we want to make the base of our pet bed. If you have enough material, leave a good inch on each of the sides. Next, you want to cut a piece for the cushion part of your bed. Remember, in my video, I'm cutting 2 pieces of material at once. Here I'm using a serger. You can just use a sewing machine. I am sewing the cushion case together, just sewing the 3 sides, leaving the one side open. Once you have the 3 sides sewed, you want to turn it inside out so your pattern shows to the outside. And put your foam inside. Once your foam is inside, you want to sew your cushion closed. Next, you want to sew your sides together, sewing each side once at a time. So here, that's 4 pieces of material all at once. This will be one of the corners to the bed. Continue sewing your sides together, attaching it to the pieces you just sewed. Once all 4 sides are sewn together, you want to put your cushions inside of those pieces. Once you have all the side cushions into your pieces of material, you want to sew them together. Here I am sewing closest to the foam as I can, leaving enough material for the bottom of the bed to be sewn on. So now that we have all four sides sewn together, place down the bottom part of the bed. We're going to be sewing the bottom part of the bed to all four sides of the bed. Sewing right along the side of the side cushions. So once I'm done sewing all four sides, next I'll take my serger to trim off any excess material I don't need. If you don't have a serger, just sew around twice and then just cut off the extra material. Here I'm just taking my sewing machine and going around once more just to make sure it's firmly in place. When that's all done, you can reverse your bed. Next, I'm just pinching the corners together to give extra support. You can do this by hand if you want, as it's a little difficult with the sewing machine. Do it to all four corners. Once that's done, I'm just adjusting some of the foam inside to make it square in the bed. Once that's all adjusted, you can go ahead and put your cushion inside your bed. And there you go! You made an easy dog or cat bed for your furry friend, just by using some extra foam around your house and scrap materials. So I think it's time to go and test it out and see if my dog likes her new bed. So if you've been watching my other videos, you know I have a little dog. She's a 3-pound purebred Chihuahua. She has her own playlist named Kitty Girl. I thought this size of bed would be perfect for her, but it's actually a little too big, and the sides are too small. As you can see, she's sitting on the sides like a chair. She doesn't seem to mind it though. She keeps jumping in and out, but still sits on the sides. So after using it for a couple weeks, I ended up finding that she liked it better with the cushion out. It made it more deep for her and she didn't sit on the sides. She likes sleeping in this bed. All I did is just throw a blanket inside and she just snuggled up and fell asleep. You will probably see in the next few videos, she's sleeping in this bed. I'm not sure why, but every time she gets something new, she has to clean it. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.
I'm right here. Hi, over here, hi.